Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create an account on Doordash. I wonder why you want to know how to create an account on Doordash. Maybe because you have heard a lot about this app, like it has the best food deals and other food stuff, so you want to give it a try. Or maybe you have seen a lot of people using it, so you also want to use it. Or there could be any other reason. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you just have to simply install the DoorDash app from Google Play Store or App Store, and once it gets installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. The app will just take a while to load, and after that you will see this interface. First, you have to enter your location. You have to enter the correct location because the food will get delivered to your address. Therefore, you have to make sure that you enter the correct address. In case of wrong address, it will not get delivered to your place. So here we are just selecting a country, or you could say the city of the place, and once you have entered any place of your choice, you will get here. Now what you have to do is that you have to enter the address of your home, like where you live and where you want the food to get delivered. Here you have to enter your apartment information, your postal code, your building name, and if you have any other options for delivery or anything, you may enter it. And once you have entered all these things, just simply click on this option which says save address, and your address will be saved. And after that we will get into the app, and then we will see how we can create an account on it by entering our personal information. Once you have entered your information, just simply click on save address, and after that your information will be saved as your address. Now you will get here, but still we have to create account. Now it will ask you some of the information or maybe some permission. You may allow it or skip it, it's all up to you. Once you get back to your home page, at the bottom you could see we have 5 options. So from these 5 options, you have to select the right option, which is account, this one. Just simply tap onto this option, and then here you can create your account by entering your email address or some other personal information. So either you could enter your personal information like your first name, last name, email address, your country, and your phone number, or you can just go with the other option, which is like your Gmail, Facebook, or Apple ID. So it's all up to you. You can choose any one of these options, whatever you prefer the most. Now your account has been successfully created. Now you can go to home, explore different foods, deals, order them, or maybe just go and pick the food. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create an account on DoorDash. If you know any other way of doing it, let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.